Hey guys, how you doing? I picked up this Matchbox Super Super Service Center. This is like my 9th time trying to do this. Anyway, it looks pretty cool. Let's see what comes in the box. On this side, before we get into the box, it just shows some of the features. We got a gas station here. We got a little tire spot. We got an elevator to go upstairs. We have a hoist here. We actually have a dyno over here. And this is where you do your alignments. And this is where you do your transmissions. So anyway, so let me open this up and see what we get. It comes with a mat as well. What do I do if... Tell me to do this. What does that do? It's perforated. Ooh, is this an easy way to get into it? Oh, it is. Look at that. Well, right off the pop, stickers. Yes. Take a look at those. Well, that's cool. All right. We have ourselves, I'm assuming this is detailed instructions. Let's take a look at this quickly. So it shows you how to put it all together. Ooh. After building a couple Tamiya kits, this seems really simple. Okay, cool. So it tells you where everything goes, so that's cool. I'll probably still left that up, so we're all good. All right, so if this guy would just kind of stay open a bit here, or not. Aha, there we go. We still in frame? Yes, we are. So let's take a look. I bet that's gonna fall. Give it like 2 seconds. Oh dear, yeah, that went right into the sump pump pit. I'm gonna just move this box over to the side so we can see what we're getting here. What fell into the pit? Oh dear. I'll have to probably grab that in a bit. Instructions fell. Alright, so when we take a look at this is pretty awesome. We got our Matchbox Auto Store and then Matchbox Coffee Shop, which is cool. Motel. Oh, it looks like the car wash and the garage tune-up shop is just goes straight through. That's awesome. Nice little foam pads. They actually move too, so when you go to wash your car, totally awesome. You got your dyno bay here, and then we got our transmission stickers kind of coming off there. So you'd think this would be for the alignment, but I guess maybe not. And then yeah, this is where your alignment's supposed to be. And when you come over here, you got yourself a nice little hoist. Look at that, huh? That's totally fun. Got your wheel balancer. And then you got your tire shop here. They have ABS plastic tires in stock. Not too bad. And then you can take a look from the top. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Nice little gas pumps. Cool. Little M for Matchbox. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Getting dizzy yet? Oh, cool. We got a little trash can, recycle bin. Nice. Got a couple of these. Little pylon things. Highway probably goes over that. Got a little ramp going down. It's probably like somewhere around here-ish. Nice. Super Center. Oh, the sticker's in nice shape too. Sorry, OCD here. Make sure there's no bubbles and stuff. I can do that later. It has like little lamps here. That kind of goes up over here. Cool, so it looks like these are solar panels. And we got a big air conditioned HVAC unit here. So that's cool. I want to kind of detail this up, so it's giving me lots of detail so I can actually do that. Thinking about adding LEDs, not sure yet. Here's our little hoist for the alignment machine. So Let's see. Oh, it goes this way. So it goes down. Put her back up. Nice. Got the little detail here and that. Here and that. Is that correct? Doesn't matter. My channel. All right. What else we got here? Sign. So for one of our stickers. Oh, cool. Little tools. Okay. See that? Anyway, it's little tools in there. That's fun. It's like a little workbench, right? So got all your tools there. Detail all that up. And then, oh, I see. So actually then we put one of the signs there. We got tools again on the bench. And you put your little sign up here. So it'll be probably like these guys here, right? So you got tools on the bench and tools hanging up. That's pretty cool. Oh, here's our lift. Oh dear, we just had a mishap. Let's power this back up. I'm not sure. It's pretty dark out. Oh dear, sorry guys. Camera thing's not working. There we go. Holy crow. Got one of these gimbal things. I like it, but I don't at the same time. It's a necessary evil. So anyway, so yeah, sorry about all that. So you get into this and see, it says, you know, specialist die cast, specialist maintenance repair, service diagnostics. Very cool. And that gets you up to the top here. So it like plugs in over here or something. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then here's a little one-way street thing. That's probably with the ramp going down, and this little thing probably sits in there. And looking down in the sump pump hole, which I'm not going to make you look at, it's disgusting down there. It looks like it's a roof. So anyway, so that's kind of oh, what am I forgetting? Holy crow! Look at this. It comes with its own mat. Get off the camera. Huh? Is that not cool? So you got lots of awesome parking spots. You got your handicap spot, 3 spots over here. You got 2 parking spots over here. This is where the gas station goes. And this is where like the main part of the store goes. Down here, don't park there. Just don't. I'm not even gonna get into it. You guys got doing burnouts here. That's pretty fun. What do we got over here? More parking with burnouts. Man, this is good because I got a lot of Hot Wheels / Matchbox stuff that I'm modding. So, and you'll get to see those in a separate video. Oh, and it came with one more thing. Let me just move this out of the way. That's pretty big. I like that. So it came with a car. If anybody's interested. Oh, I am. I just gotta, you know, could have done this off the camera, but it's an unboxing, so how could have I? How could have I? Sure. My channel. Almost there. Oh my gosh. Alright. This thing show you. Camera? What the hell is wrong with this gimbal? Really? Half this video is just gonna be black handle. Alright, so sorry about that again. Alright, we're just gonna go manual mode here. Piece of crap. Let's see, what is this piece of crap? It's a Moza Mini S. I picked this up and I haven't had really any luck with it whatsoever. So as far as I'm concerned, don't bother. Anyway, we're just gonna throw that there and take a look at this little guy. Yeah, so we take a look at him and he's got a little bigger tires, stuff like that. Can't really kind of get on him. The lights crap down here. Anyway, it's a car and it's got a Matchbox original thing on it. Boom. Let's get some gas. Wait a minute, it's up top. Hold on, we got to do the dyno. Boom. See how this dyno works? Anyway, there'll be more to come once I get everything built, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. Little finger in the way there. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, send me some questions. I'll try to get back to you. Do you have this kit? Do you like this kit? I think this is going to be fun. I want to make this kind of like a realistic kind of thing. That's obviously not realistic, but you know what? As fun as I can get it. And yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.